To discuss the market, how it will pan out tomorrow and days to come, we have with us Nilesh Jain, Head Derivatives and Technical Research, Centrum Broking. Nilesh, hi, good evening. What is your sense in markets now? What are the charts telling? Because consistently, we are closing now about 25,000 mark at least. Yes, we did end below 25,100. Do you think this momentum will continue?
Very good afternoon, everyone. Yes, you have rightly pointed out. Constantly, we are witnessing a good momentum in last few trading sessions. This has been 6 consecutive days of gain. A couple of positive triggers we have for the day. The number one, Nifty managed to end about 25,000 mark for the second consecutive session, and also ended above its 50-day moving average, which is currently placed at 25,010. So overall setup looks positive with a buy and decline approach. Although we have immediate hurdle of 61.8% retracement of the entire fall, if we draw that retracement, then 61.8% comes somewhere around 25,160, and exactly from those levels today we have seen some bit of profit taking. But I don't think that will be a cause of concern going forward. We are likely to see a breakout about the same, and it looks like Nifty is heading towards 25,200 to 25,300 from a short-term perspective. Now, the major pain point was still the Bank Nifty, which has been a laggard, and compared to the Nifty index, it has been one of the underperformers as well. Overall, the setup, if you look at 56,000 is the immediate hurdle. Breakout above 56,000 will attract a short covering move towards 56,500 to 57,000. But for that, one should wait for confirmation that will come above 56,000. Overall, structure is looking sideways for the Bank Nifty. But yes, the focus should be on the Nifty index.
All right, but having said that, since you were talking about Bank Nifty, I really want to understand what's going to do better, the PSU bank or the private banking. Even though you are gauging a sideways movement as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, but then what's expected to disappoint us, the private banks?
See, Kavita, so overall across all banking names, we are witnessing some bit of selling pressure. But if we compare with the private sector bank, PSU banks are still better placed. Structure-wise, if you see counters like SBI, BOB, Canara Bank, all these major PSU banks have a better structure. So we can expect an outperformance in the PSU bank going forward. And even in the private sector banking space, a lot of counters have witnessed strong build up on the short side. So there could be possibility of a short covering rally in the banking names like HDFC, ICICI, Kotak Bank, and also HDFC Bank, which has been falling in last few trading sessions. So structure-wise, looks slightly on a weaker side as far as IndusInd Bank is concerned. But apart from that, couple of heavyweight counters, as mentioned, are looking a slightly better place, and we can expect a short covering rally going forward.
All right, I also want to understand one sector which has been in news recently ever since GST news has broken out. Now, auto stocks, what should one do? Are there some picks in that sector as well?
Right, so autos have been in a flavor in last few trading session. We have seen a good momentum in the Nifty Auto Index, and overall the undertone is still looking strong, and we can expect further momentum to continue on the upside towards 25,600, 26,000. So within this space, specifically two-wheeler counters like TVS Motor, that is hitting a new record high. Structure is looking strong on the chart, and we can expect a follow-up move towards 3,400 to 3,500 with a stop loss below 3,200. TVS Motor is a buy. Apart from that, counters like Bajaj Auto as well, where we have seen some bit of profit taking today, but the major structure looks positive with a buy and decline approach. 9,000 plus kind of levels can be seen in the short run. So the focus should be on two-wheeler space, specifically Bajaj Auto and TVS Motor.
So two-wheeler and auto is your pick. We'll come back to you with more of your picks, especially for tomorrow's trade. But then Dinshoy Irani, CEO Helios Mutual Fund, has added Ithra and Ola Electric in the portfolio apart from Bajaj Auto. So he's not very keen on adding four-wheeler space. So what he has to say, and is he also betting on two-wheelers? Let's listen in.
Basically, two-wheelers is something that where we believe that a bulk of the hit that EV could have given is done and dusted. From here on, even the incumbent players who've been basically in ICEs, they're picking up their game in the EV space, and that's why you'll see one more new main name being added to the in the two-wheeler space from our side as such. So we'll be Probably after a very long time, we'll be holding 4 two-wheeler players in our portfolio per se. 2 of them are pure EV plays, and one is Bajaj Auto as such. So that's what we've been doing, and we are very comfortable. But however, having said that, we're still not getting into PVs. I think PV, there's a lot of overhang left. Till now, demand is not that clear anyways, so we'll stay out of that space per se. Even the two-wheelers that we picked up on the ICE guys who are getting into EVs are mainly entry-level two-wheeler plays, and I think they're big beneficiaries of this recent change in GST as and when it happens.
All right, that was Dinsha Irani on his pick on auto sector. But coming back to you, Nilesh, which are the stock-specific picks apart from auto sector you have already given?
Right, so I have 2 by recommendation. First of all, consumption space, specifically newest stocks, we have seen a good momentum. So within that space, Swiggy is one stock that is looking attractive at current level, given the kind of a breakout that we have seen today. Although some bit of profit taking was also seen at the high level, but the major structure has turned positive with a buy crossover on MACD in Swiggy. So it's a buy. Swiggy is a buy for upside target of 450. Stop loss can be placed at 423. Apart from that, another stock which is trading in an upward trajectory, that is AB Capital. Today it has hit a new record high as well. So structure wise looks very strong on the chart. Buy and decline should be the strategy. Looks strong for 302 short-term target with a stop loss below 284. AB Capital can also be added.
All right, Nilesh, thank you so much for taking time out and suggesting your picks for the viewers today. Thank you. On that note, let's take a quick break and